Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rachna Verma and I'm working as Associate Professor in the School of Biological and Environmental Sciences in Shoolini University.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuradha Saurirajan. I am currently Dean, Faculty of Applied Sciences and Biotechnology at Shoolini University. The answer is a big yes. There is an immense contribution coming from the women scientists who contributed a lot, whether you talk about physical sciences, chemical sciences or biological sciences. A huge number of women scientists have done a lot of contributions which have led to advancement in science, technology and getting a lot of medicine. A lot of women Nobel laureates who have actually been recognized for their discoveries and their contribution to science. Now till date 2021, there are more than 22 Nobel laureates who are actually women who got Nobel Prizes in physics, chemistry and medicine. So that shows that women scientists have done a lot of work.
Women have contributed a lot in the field of science. That could be well quoted of some examples of women leaders in the research, like Madam Marie Curie. She have done a splendid job in the field of research, in particular with the radioactivity. Then thereafter there comes the name of Rosalind Franklin. She is now a renowned scientist who have contributed a lot in the field of X-ray crystallography. They should definitely contribute in science. Women are considered as multitaskers. They are having more creativity and they can add more content to the innovative research. Women are the sole bearers of, you can say, creativity, and they can do wonders if they will enter into this field.
Yes, definitely the research field requires a lot of women scientists to put in their contributions. If you look at the trend of education, every year the CBSE takes out the topper list or ICSE board, and we see that girls are the toppers in most cases. The answer is partly no, and I would say this answer is slowly changing towards VCN Parity, which is coming up. In another angle, if you see that it's not only because of the gender bias, but women are actually having more responsibilities towards their family, towards their household activities, and this actually pulls them a bit back, and they think twice before taking up high-end careers where they have to play a double role, having more responsibilities in the job as well as also taking care of their families, their children. So this has partly been pulling the role of women down.
Yes, women researchers are accepted nowadays with equal dignity and respect as the male researchers are. Women are equally rubbing shoulders with the men in every sector, similar cases in the research. When it is the case of research output, whether it is about the question of number of publications, impact factor or FWCI, that is field weighted citation index, they are giving equal output and excelling in every field. I would say if the women are giving their 100%, they are doing continuous strenuous efforts, they are outshining in research output, they will definitely be accepted, and they are accepted in today's world. I would strongly encourage all the girl students who enter into the field of science. I would say all those students who want to enter into the field of science, they should have 3 factors, and those are diligence, perseverance and patience. If you are having all these 3 traits and you are giving your 100% to whatever the field you have chosen, you will definitely outshine, you will definitely excel in your career, and you will bring more laurels and pride to the people to whom with you are associated with, like parents, your country, your society.
To all the girls, students and aspiring girls who want to take up science as their career, so first thing is passion. Be passionate students and be dedicated to your dreams. Don't leave your dreams back, always try to follow your dreams. Science requires some dedication. It's a stream where you need to put in a lot of hard work, and you need to be passionate, you need to have some thought process, the mind which can think. Always ask some questions. Why is this happening? What is this? How will this happen? So these kind of questions will lead you to achieve your goals. Actually contribute to science, and a lot is required. A female thinking versus a male thinking will also be a very different aspect, which can give in a lot of new discoveries in science. With this, I would like to wish all the women scientists and upcoming budding girl students who are going to take up science as a career, wish you all a happy International Day for Women and Girls in Science. All the best.
I wish a happy International Day of Women and Girl in Science. Thank you very much.